See, just because you understood Six Sigma is really superior, do you think you can go back to your organization and then immediately make everything in a Six Sigma way? No, it won't work in that way. But you can start your initiative, but things will fall in line. Only you consistently practice. So, what is that approach to Six Sigma? It depends on your vision, first of all, your organization visions, right? The leader's vision. Suppose if you assume this tree full of fruits as your market. Now I divided your market into 4 segments. Level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Level 1 contains very, very fewer fruits. There is no guarantee that the fruits are great. Level 2, the low-hanging fruits. Fruits are fresh, readily available in the tree, and at a easily, accessible height. But middle of the tree, there is a bulk of fruits, but it's not available at at the easy height. You have to put some effort. And then on the top of the tree, some better fruits are available, right? These are no fully fragrant and very sweety fruits are available here on the top. And now, what is that you want to achieve? If you are interested in these kind of fruits, that means you want to serve only a fewer number of customers. Your Sigma levels need not be great. We'll understand the Sigma level in detail tomorrow. When your Sigma levels of low or low in the order of 2 Sigma or something, then the DPMO, nothing but defects per million opportunity. This will be in the order of several lakhs. That means your organization loves living with the problem. Why? You deal with only fewer number of customers, and so problems are not that much challenging to you. You are okay to face as many problems as possible because your size compared to your market is so small compared to your size, and so you feel it is okay. But if you really wanted to go to the next level, that means you wanted to serve some good number of customers, you wanted to show your presence in the market, then you must increase your Sigma level. See, please note, whether you know it or not, whether you measure it or not, Sigma level exists in any process. It is nothing but something equal to measuring the PPM, something equal to measuring the yield, something equal to measuring your productivity and efficiency, right? But the terminology is different, the meaning is same, right? So higher Sigma level means now defects are reduced to several thousands. From lakhs, it came down to thousands. How can you reduce the defects from lakhs to thousand? By bringing a disciplined approach towards quality, or you call it working control. People have become conscious about quality. A failure happens, they view it seriously. A customer makes a complaint, they view it seriously. They will use all the 7 quality control tools. Importantly, the company will have SPC in place. SPC is very important. Statistical process control. Plotting a control chart. It is the tool, control chart, which can tell you whether your process is under your control or not. Suppose if you are a teacher or a trainer like me, taking class to a students, first requirement is you should be able to gain control over the students. If you gain control over the students, you can improve their performance. If you can't even gain control over the students, that means students are not listening to you. Now, what is the point? You trying to improve your lecture, improve your teaching. Improving your teaching is not going to impact your students' performance. You know why? The students are not listening to you. Now, what is that you need to do? You must first make them listen to you. You must first gain control over the students. Same way, do you really have control over the process? We call it statistical control. If you are not, whether you have a statistical control or not, how do you know? Only control chart can let you know. If the process is under statistical control, improvement is possible. If it is not under statistical control, I will say improvement is definitely not possible, right? So please note, your company has the habit of having a discipline towards quality and believes in using all the QC tool. One of the QC tool is control chart. Please use it and see to that you always get all the points plotted in the control chart inside the control limit. And I'm going to teach you what is control limit tomorrow, right? And then you will definitely appreciate the importance of control chart. And now your products have become no little more better, and now you are ready to scale up your business. You know what do I mean by scale up? You are now ready to take your product to a lot of customers. You wanted to become a big player in the market, and now is the time you will realize the importance of producing defect-free product. Why do you use the word defect-free? You are going to sell your product to millions of people. You are going to sell your product to billions of people. And now when you are trying to reach to billions of people, can you have a small defect in your product? I think all your answer will be definitely no. And that means that's the time you will realize your sigma level should be in the order of 4 to 5 or 6. Now you see the defects have brought down to some numbers below 1,000, right? And this can happen only if your approach is top driven. Your top management should participate in the quality improvement project. Project sponsor, project champion, right? And then you should be technologically fit. And then you must use statistics extensively. The green belt modules, all the tools I have shown, all that you must start using. Whether you are a statistician or whether you are an engineer or not, whether you know mathematics or not, you must use it if you want to contribute to your organization's growth. Whether you learn to max or not, you learn to statistics or not, still you can learn all the statistical tools from me. I will spoon feed each and everything, and all of you can learn easily. Not only that, you will learn better than the people who studied statistics and mathematics in the college. So to that level, you can equip you, and now you will be able to produce defect-free products, and now all your customer will love using your products and availing your services. And now graduate every single minute your organization will grow. You cannot stop your organization from growing. The growth will become unstoppable. Eventually your company will become a market leader. Now you are a market leader. Now what do you want to do? Your products are already leading in the market. Do you still want to improve the quality? Not required. You will achieve that event happening when your sigma levels are around 4 to 5 itself, maybe 6 also, right? But now your strategy will be to develop new products. Why do you want to develop new products? All your products are already doing well. So now you will realize the importance of DMAT-V. What is DMAT-V? Since you are already a big brand, for example, Apple, right? For example, Ford and things like that. Your name is known as a brand, and now you have the responsibility to produce products with a world-class quality. That is possible only when you use DMAT-V. Define, measure, analyze, design, and validate. And this is what we call it, design for Six Sigma. And now there will be an extensive use of statistics, particularly design of experiment. And tomorrow you will understand what is DOE, design of experiment, and what is hypothesis testing, what is the difference, and what is the statistical tools. That will be revealed tomorrow. I'll take you through step by step. And now the premium customers are yours. There could be less fruits, but each fruit is worth it, isn't it? So the premium customers are now the ambassadors of your products, and this is how you can approach Six Sigma. And now one hint I can give you, I want to give you for you to effectively implement and grow your company a brand leader. See to that you are able to implement 5S initially. 5S is a simple lean tool. How we neatly organize our house, right? Same way you organize your workplace. That is called 5S. If you can do that happen, your workplace is at least neat and clean, and everything is visualized, and that's the first step. And second step, go to statistical process control. Now third step, try to apply lean principles, lean tools and techniques. And fourth step, switch to DMAC. And fifth step, automatically you will jump to DMAT B. So this can be a best path, the right path towards becoming a world-class manufacturer and world-class service provider. So increase in sigma level requires exponential defect reduction.
Sir, I had two queries here.
Yes, please.